In this video, we're going to learn about rolled paper flowers with a few tips and tricks along the way. Let's have a quick look at Design Space. By searching for rolled flowers, you will get a lot of images and projects like these. Large coils where the outer edge is the petal shape and length. These are rolled from the outer end to the inner circle tab, which is used to hold it all together. A few things to note. Rolled flowers come together quickly and have a flat back when assembled, so they are great for filling spaces with color and dimension. Rolled flowers are also cut from a single piece of material, so they are slightly limited by the size, flexibility, and color of the material you are using. For the best results, you'll want a medium weight, solid core, double-sided material, like Cricut cardstock. For an added touch of realism, try lightly curling or painting the petal part of the strip before rolling. Use a quilling tool or reverse action tweezers to roll the center of the flower from the outer edge towards the tab. Hold the flower between the fingers of your other hand to stabilize and prevent unrolling. The circular piece at the opposite end of the strip sits under the center of the completed flower and is used to secure the roll at the desired size. I like to use measuring cups to maintain a consistent size for my paper flowers. Once I have rolled one, before gluing, I carefully place the flower, petals side down, into my measuring cup. In this case, the 1/4 cup measure. The flower unrolls just enough to fill the space in the cup. Then I use hot glue on the back of the roll before pressing the circular tab down on the glue to hold the roll together. Some other rolled pieces you may come across are the centers of flowers, like in this popular sunflower project. For this strip, you fold the strip along the middle so that the straight, uncut edges match up. It is best to use a paper adhesive for these portions to minimize bulk. Use tweezers to get the roll started, adding an occasional dab of paper adhesive to keep the strip from unraveling. Multiple strips may be used to create these large and dense flower centers. Another possibility is for rolled pieces to be manipulated before being attached to other bases, like this crepe paper center for a peony. I'll begin by carefully twisting each piece of the fringe cut. Then I'll cover this small ball with the same color of crepe paper so that the ball doesn't show through. Starting a little more than halfway up the ball, I'll glue one end of the strip onto the surface and work my way down, making sure to cover the previous portions of the strip as I go. Since this technique is intended for stemmed flowers, I want the fullness towards the top so that I'll have space to add my stem and petals. Join us for the rest of the videos where we explore more 3D flower assembly tips and tricks. See you there!